What's happening, everybody? Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. Saitama currently trading at the 6-1 level. And, if you look at the candlesticks on the hourly or the 4-hour or 8-hour, 12-hour charts, you're going to probably say, what the heck's going on with Saitama? But if you look at it from a daily perspective, these are daily candlesticks over on DEX tools. We're seeing here that we are essentially just finding some consolidation here. These are one-day sticks, by the way. Okay, so we popped up here. Whew, that was live action. Had to sneeze. So we popped way up here, up into the 9 range. This was back on the 26th, 2 days ago. We've since kind of fallen back into these low to mid 6s. I feel like this is kind of where we're going to sit here and consolidate. Now, I would like to see Saitama consolidate here for a little bit because here's the thing. Consolidation periods lead to big explosions. We saw that with SHIB. We consolidated there in mid-October after the initial pump. We consolidated for about 2 weeks at that 2.8 level, and then it was blast off yesterday, right? I think a similar story is set to play out for Saitama. Of course, we have a huge, and I mean huge, catalyst coming with the launch of Saitama. The wallet will be launched out in Las Vegas November 13th. I will be there. Hopefully, you will be there as well if you have a chance to get out there. We're going to try to do a meet and greet. No guarantees on that right now. We're trying to sort some things out. To be quite honest with you, we might have too many people at this point to do a meet and greet, but we're going to try. But if you are at the Saitama event over there at the nightclub at the MGM Grand, we will see you there. And this is just crazy to watch. Now, currently 135,000 holders. I got in here sometime in early September, early to mid-September, when there was 30,000 holders. So we have added 100,000 holders in about a month and a half to 2 months. We've added 100,000 holders, which is absolutely unheard of, right? And this project is still at the infancy stages. Right now, we got a little bit of a pullback down about 4%. The market cap, though, still at $2.8 billion. If you put that into the top 100, we are sitting somewhere in the 60 to 70 range right now. Now, it's not been, necessarily, CMC has not necessarily verified the project's market cap. A lot of that has to do with, just the tokenomics. However, according to the project itself, reported circulating supply is that number you see right there. What is that? 44 quadrillion, 611 trillion, 510 billion, 201 million, 223,696. So that would give it a market cap of about 2.8 billion. Interestingly enough, that's exactly where the market cap was for SHIB before the explosion here in October. They were roughly, at a $3 billion market cap, somewhere between 2.5 and 3 billion. And we have seen just a meteoric rise for Saitama. Now, we go back over to DEX tools. We can see here that, over the past couple of days here, we're trading sideways. I want to see this trend continue. Okay. I want to trade sideways for a few days here because then we're gearing up for a next big push. And I think that push is going to come in due time here. And I am really looking forward to kind of see where we head from here. I am super excited about the future of Saitama. Okay, there's no question. And I know many people who got in super, super early that are enjoying a ton, and I mean a ton of gains. And man, this is going to be fun. This is going to be a ton of fun to watch where this thing goes over the next several months. And, a top 10 exchange listing has already happened with Gate.io. Now we've got word that another top 10 exchange and maybe even a top 5 exchange is coming. So right now, that looks like it could be Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, FTX, or KuCoin. Those are the other 4 that are in the top 5. Actually, Gate.io is actually out of the top 5 at the moment, at least currently. This is going by daily volume here. But KuCoin, FTX, Kraken, Coinbase, or Binance, what do you think it is? Do you think it's Binance? That would just be massive. If Binance goes ahead and lists Saitama, the roof's going to fly off, okay? The roof is going to fly off because we know that they dominate daily volume. They are the largest exchange in the world by volume. There's no question. Nobody's even close. However, anything other than Binance would still be fantastic, whether it's Coinbase, Kraken, FTX, or KuCoin. We'll be watching it. That is what's heading up next for Saitama. And, of course, we've got the event coming up in Vegas. My, oh, my. Things are going to get really interesting, Wolfpack, and I'm here for it. We'll be covering it right here on the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Patreon link down below in the description. as well as a bunch of referral links. I'll see you in the next update.